How to add privacy policy in WordPress. One of the simplest approaches is to use WordPress's built-in privacy policy tool, which has been available since version 4.9.6. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Settings menu, then select the Privacy tab. Here you'll find an option to create a new privacy policy page or use an existing one. If you're creating a new privacy policy, WordPress provides a template with pre-filled information and common clauses that you can customize to fit your specific needs. This template includes sections on data collection, cookie usage, and user rights, among others. Once you've personalized the content, you can publish the page directly from the editor. After publishing, it's important to make your privacy policy easily accessible to visitors by adding it to your website's menu or footer. For those who already have a privacy policy document, you can either create a new page in WordPress and paste your existing content, or use the built-in privacy page option and replace the template content with your own. If you prefer a more guided approach, there are also WordPress plugins available, such as WP Auto Terms, that can help you generate a compliant privacy policy based on your input. Regardless of the method you choose, it's crucial to ensure that your privacy policy accurately reflects your data collection and usage practices. The policy should be clear, comprehensive, and easily understandable by your website visitors. Remember to update your privacy policy regularly, especially when you make changes to your data handling practices or when new privacy laws come into effect. Once your privacy policy is in place, consider adding links to it in prominent locations on your website. Common places include the footer of your site, your terms and conditions page, and any forms where you collect user data. This not only helps with legal compliance, but also builds trust with your visitors by demonstrating transparency about your data practices.